This is the Battery Par 6RF Rechargeable RGBWA+UV Par Wash Light. This light is perfect for DJs, bars, clubs, restaurants, trade shows, house parties, stage professionals, and other commercial applications. This light features 6-in-1 LEDs that are super bright, and each LED can change to the colors red, green, blue, white, amber, and UV, which means you can get millions of color combinations and they will all be super vibrant and bright. And the Battery Par 6RF is fully rechargeable and battery operated. That makes it perfect for any application, whether you are on the go or using it in your own venue. The Battery Par 6RF is available in two different colors of black and white, and every Battery Par 6RF comes with a power cable which can be used to plug the light into the wall for power or to charge the light, a dual bracket that can be used to truss mount the light with a light clamp, and also to angle the light in different positions for wall washing. You attach it to the light by screwing in these two hand tightening knobs in the side of the light over here. And finally, we have the RF remote. Our RF remote technology allows you to control the color, mode, and other functions of the light from ranges of 50 to 100 feet. What is really cool is you can use one remote and control multiple of these lights. For example, you might have 24 of these lights all throughout a party room. You take this remote and hit the color blue, and all of the lights will react from a single click. Our RF technology also has another really cool feature. Let's say you want to have every other light alternate colors. Our lights each have a setting for different RF channels, so you can have two groups of lights, and then from the remote you can go to RF channel A and change all of the lights on the channel to one color with a single click, and then you can go to RF channel B and change the remaining lights to a different color from there. On top of that, you can select these different modes. So there's an auto mode, there's a strobe mode, a fade mode, and then a sound mode which will utilize the built-in microphone on the light to change the color of the light to the beat of the music or any sound in general. There are actually 4 different sound modes that all offer a really cool effect. Now moving to the light itself, let's take a look at the back first. So we have our on and off switch, and right next to that we have an LED display with 4 buttons to toggle through the different menus and the different functionalities that control the light. Some other cool features are the charging and battery life indicators, which show you when your light is charging and how much juice your light has and when to recharge, although you probably won't have to do that too often because the battery on this light is an absolute beast. It's got a 5,000 milliamp per hour battery, which means that this light can last up to 15 hours on a single charge for a single color. Now this light can be used for wall washing, which is why you have these 4 rubber feet on the bottom to use it in floor operation mode against the wall, inside a totem to illuminate it, or even on the inside of a DJ facade. You can use the dual bracket to angle the light in different positions to give you different wall wash and stage effects, or even to attach a light clamp like our LC70 and hang it from a truss. The Battery Par 6RF is an especially great stage par light because of its long battery life. On either side of the light we have our standard DMX in and DMX out ports. You can use these ins and outs to connect a DMX controller and control the light in DMX mode. There are 2 DMX modes, 6-channel and 10-channel, which gives you 2 different options for how much control you want over your light in DMX mode. You can even use the DMX to control multiple Battery Par 6RFs in master-slave mode for a coordinated effect. By setting multiple Battery Par 6RFs to the same DMX address and connecting them together with a DMX cable, you can then use the RF remote with the master light and it will control all of the lights together. This even works for the different sound modes so that all of the lights will be moving perfectly in sync. This light also features wireless DMX connectivity, allowing you to link your light to your wireless DMX controller or allowing you to daisy chain all of your lights to each other wirelessly, where you can then control them in master-slave mode and a bunch of other modes. This works in the same way where you control all of the lights off a single light, but the connection is completely wireless. And each Battery Par 6RF also has a standard power out on the light so you can electrically daisy chain other lights off of it. And we've made a bunch of videos showing you how to set up your light and how to use different modes like master-slave mode, how to set up your wireless DMX, and a full walkthrough of the RF remote. So be sure to check out those videos to get the most out of your light. This light is extremely versatile and you can use it to wall wash and uplight different rooms in your club or party hall. You can use it to illuminate your DJ facade or totem speaker stands, or you can truss mount it for stage design and integrate it with other effect lights in your setup. So if you're looking for an extremely bright, long-lasting, and rechargeable par light with a long-range RF remote that controls all of its functions, look no further than the Battery Par 6RF from Rockville.